Shreveport, Louisiana. Officer Freddie Clinton catches up to a menacing situation. Arlesia McDonald was driving home from work when she noticed this SUV stalking her.
Got a lime green SUV, one black male. The 1018.
Inside is the father of her baby, her ex-boyfriend, Raymond Darnell. She recently sued him for child support. Now he's decided she's the one who's going to pay. Several blocks away, Officer Joshua Feliciano responds to the call. He has no idea the critical role he's about to play. Meanwhile, Officer Clinton follows the woman as she flees. Up ahead, her ex rams her off the road. As Officer Clinton pulls up, the terrified woman runs toward him. But so does Darnell, and he's carrying a sawed-off shotgun. Clinton shields the woman on the passenger side, exchanging gunfire with Darnell. Feliciano races up to the shootout just as Officer Clinton makes a horrifying discovery. He's out of ammo. And here comes Darnell. It happens in a flash. When the shooter heads around the cruiser, Clinton's only hope is to clear a path for his colleague to take a shot. But the suspect fires first, wounding the girl. Feliciano opens fire. Even with the bullets whizzing around him, the madman tries beating the victim with his weapon. He's quickly brought down. The woman crawls to safety. She was only hit in the backside. A painful but survivable injury.
In May of 2006, Corporal Josh Feliciano and Officer Freddie Clinton were involved in a dangerous encounter.
In recognition of their death-defying rescue, both officers are awarded the Medal of Valor, accompanied by a very grateful Arlesia. Darnell lives and is sentenced to life behind bars. It's justice well served for a criminal willing to kill the mother of his child and anyone who tried to stop him.